The healthcare of sub-Saharan Africans. 800 million people in desperate need of solutions. Over decades, the region has received nearly $1 trillion in Western aid. But an investment in only one prescription: modern Western medicine. Infrastructure, salaries, education of doctors and clinicians, an incalculable supply of Western pharmaceuticals, a system that demands tens of billions of dollars in new aid each year. For a vast majority, Western medicine fails as a reliable healthcare system. Access and cost shut out 80% of the population. For Africans, and for hundreds of millions in developing nations across the world, most healthcare needs are met elsewhere. Not from outside, but within.
Chitalo chifuse chitalo obutamanyana bw'omusango.
A solution steeped in tradition, environment, experiment, and deep knowledge developed over thousands of years.
Amasanyu gatukomye mu ngalo nze naawe mpawa talizikibwa. Kitalo kino bawala.
Dismissed by Western medicine, unrecognized by the pharmaceutical industry, unfunded by much of the philanthropic world, traditional medicine survives as the one effective, accessible, affordable, time-proven system treating the sick in the developing world.
People in general believe that plant medicine is weak or it doesn't work, that it's information and a system from the Dark Ages, without realizing that the drugs people are taking and relying on come directly from these plants. Upwards of 70% of pharmaceutical medicines are based on plant chemistry. Most of us now have a certain amount of removedness from our environment, from the things that are growing around us that actually have medicinal value.
This disconnect is dangerous to all of us. In a very real sense, this is our medicine chest. This is not just the 30 or 40 years that they've spent studying and practicing this medicine. It is the ancestral knowledge that has been passed down from generation to generation, and it's allowed them to practice this medicine at a level that exceeds anything that we are used to in the West. And then a couple other things that we should discuss. Maybe we can discuss it. It can be done after we leave, but we do want all of this around the building here to be a pathway.
Make all the fine adjustments.
Yeah, adjustments.
And then come in and pour it.
It seems like a huge priority to us, but that's what they've been doing.
We are the Integrative Medicine Foundation, working for the scientific advancement and promotion of traditional medicine. Securing support for the critical healthcare system it provides to hundreds of millions of people around the world. The organization was born of frustration. Patrick Carney, Hadi Ali, and me, Paige Ruane, professionals in medical research, mental health, and clinical practice. We felt helpless in a medical system that denied access to effective treatments from traditional cultures. Creating the foundation was the first act of an ethical and moral imperative. A grant would refine our purpose. It required we answer one question. If traditional medicine works, what's stopping its official widespread legitimacy and accessibility to those in need? Unanswered, the question had long served to justify skepticism. Once answered, it would deepen our relationship with healers and steel our resolve. We partnered with Indigenous healers, practitioners of traditional medicine. What we learned would shape the Foundation's vision, that supply and demand was never the problem. Any medicine outside Western medicine faced an impossible legal and technical maze, a gauntlet of rules and protocols that bar medicines in organic form, but approved derivatives in drug industry packaging, protecting corporate pillaging of indigenous culture to the tune of billions of dollars a year.